viewers, we have big breaking news coming in. United Nations chief has called for immediate ceasefire on Thailand-Cambodia clashes. UN chief has addressed he has called and he has asked the two nations to address the issue through a dialogue. All right, sad big news. The UN chief has called for immediate ceasefire on Thailand-Cambodia clashes. And he has urged both the countries to address the issue through dialogue. Remember, these developments coming in as Cambodia and Thailand continue their hostilities on the border. And earlier, the leaders said in principle that they have agreed to meet for a ceasefire talks after days of cross-border violence. And the two sides also spoke to US President Donald Trump. Donald Trump said that he has spoken with the Cambodian leaders and he was preparing to call Thailand to push for an immediate ceasefire. And now a call from the United Nations chief calling for a ceasefire between the two countries. And this after both the sides also said that they are ready for ceasefire, but there have been deadly clashes on the border. 32 people have been left dead and thousands of people have been displaced. Among the dead are several children, soldiers and civilians. So border fighting between the two nations has forced also tens of thousands of people to seek refuge. And all the hostilities there has raised fears of a prolonged conflict in the area. And among the hostilities now, UN Chief Antonio Guterres has called for a ceasefire between the two countries. The UN Security Council also held an emergency closed-door meeting on Friday. And in more developments related to the case, Thailand and Cambodia have agreed for a ceasefire. Now, Donald Trump has taken credit yet again for the ceasefire. So, Donald Trump has announced that Thailand and Cambodia have agreed to an immediate ceasefire over violent conflict at their borders. The US president said that he spoke with both the Cambodian Prime Minister and the acting Prime Minister of the Thailand as well to restore peace. And in a series of posts on Truth Social, Donald Trump said, and I quote him now, they